MORE stands for Modular Office Renovation, and we are developing a strategy to actually renovate buildings into future-proof housing. So this project actually started 2 years ago, and it started with especially designing and like, okay, what are we doing and why are we doing this project? One of those big problems is that there are a lot of offices and they have an energy label lower than D. In 2023 there will be a new law, and that law actually states that those buildings need to be closed. So the second problem we have is that there are like 1 million homes which are needed in the coming years in the Netherlands. So with our strategy we are trying to renovating those buildings into affordable new homes. So we have all kind of different modules, and depending on the people who are living in a building or are working in it, we can each time take away a module and build a new module in it. So the Solar Decathlon is a big competition where all universities of all different spots of the world can participate in. We are now participating in the Europe version in Hungary. It is a competition where every university can design and build their own energy neutral house and test them there on site. I think the whole goal of the competition is to really think about how homes and how dwellings, how all kind of buildings can actually be energy neutral.